to make this adorable teddy bear, you will need to make all these separate parts. They're very easy once you get started, so I can't wait to show you. So the first step is to roll these magazine pages. I looked for colors that were brown and grays and tans just to kind of stick with my theme, but that's totally up to you. So you're going to decide which one you want on that you want showing. So I want these reds and dark colors showing, so I'm going to put this on the bottom of my roll. You're going to need something to roll with. I'm using this barbecue stick. It's very, very thin. If you don't have this, you could use the inside of a pen. Whatever you have works. So you're going to roll from one corner at an angle. Oops. It's a little bit hard sometimes to get it started, to tuck that end in. Once you do, as you can see, it wraps right around very easily. Roll, 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 and then you're going to glue the end. And that's your first roll. Take your rolling tool out, and then go ahead and flatten. Let me show you one more, and then I'll show you how to get started. So for this, I want this brown, so I'm going to put that on the bottom, because that'll be the color that you see. And then I'm going to roll. And as you can see, these come together very quickly. Just keep the tension nice and tight. And the nice thing about this is that you're upcycling, and you can create all sorts of different things. If you check out my channel, you'll see there's butterflies and hearts and stars, snowman. So this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. And check out some of the other crafts on there with upcycling. So here's my first two. Now, we're going to start by making the head. So to make the head, you're going to start by rolling one of these tubes that you've flattened, and you're going to go ahead and roll it as tightly as possible, like so. Each body part will use a different number. So you can see that in the image, how many rolls you'll need for each. So then you're going to go ahead and glue this shut. You could use a glue stick for this or wet glue, whatever you prefer. Just hold that for a second. Now, since we're going to be working on making the head right now, and this is the head right here, we're going to keep it nice and circular. For some of the other body parts, for example, this I'm not sure if you call it a muzzle or a snout on a bear, you'll smush it down a little bit. And then when we make the arms, we'll do something totally different. And then for the ears, you'll turn them into little triangles. Okay, so that's my first one. Now, wherever you ended is where you're going to start your next one. Okay? So right here, and then add this next one. And it gets easier as it gets larger. So this is the second one. Add my third one. And it's up to you if you want to make all your rolls first, all your magazine rolls, and then start, or if you just want to do them one at a time. Totally up to you. And you don't have to do this in the darker colors that I'm doing for the bear. Bright colors would be fun too, especially if you're making this for an ornament or for a child's bedroom. Maybe you're making it for a baby shower and you want to do it in pinks and blues and mint greens. Lots of ideas. So that was the third one. Here's the fourth. So we're going to go ahead, so that's 4. So here's our 5th one. And we'll need just one more. So for the head, you need a total of 6. So the head is set. So the one that we just made together is a little bit brighter than the one I made here in the demo. Both beautiful, it just depends on the look you want. So that one's set, so that's 6. Now for the body, it's 8. You're doing the exact same thing. Okay, so this will get glued on the body like so. And to connect the parts, you're just going to use a little bit of hot glue. And that gets stuck right there. Now for the feet, you're going to make rolls of 2. And then they get glued on the bottom. So 1. 2. Now let's go ahead and make the arms because those were made totally different. Now to make the arms, what you're going to do is you're going to start by folding this in half like so. This measures, I would say this measures about 2.5 centimeters. And then you just fold it flat around like so. And then you're going to do this with one more. So you can see the arm starting to form. So that's your arm. Just hold that for a second. So there's your arm. So we're going to go ahead and glue the two arms on. Now you could have it pointing up, pointing down, pointing straight. I kind of like them up a little, like kind of joyful. Glue that down like so. Take your other one. And if you have a good side and a bad side, I always put the good side to the front. Like so. And now we still have left the ears and the muzzle. Now to make the snout, you're going to use 2 and then smush it down. So you're going to roll it like you normally would for the regular circles, just like you did for the head and the body. And then you're going to roll this as tightly as you can. Ooh, I kind of like that. Just a little bit of the color I think is really pretty. And I just love how each one of these projects comes out slightly different depending on the colors you choose. So then you're going to take this and smush it down as hard as you can. And that's going to start your oval shape. Then go ahead and add your second one. Kind of keep on smushing it down. Okay. Oops. I did not want to stay down. Go. So there's your snout. And you're going to go ahead and glue that down. Like so. Starting to really take a nice shape there. And now for the ear, what you're going to do is you're going to roll this as tightly as possible. And the ears are just 1 each. Go ahead and glue that shut. And then what you're going to do is try to form that into a bit of a triangle. And then that'll be your ear. So we have this one and this one. And then you're just going to go ahead and add some glue there and add it onto the side. Oops. Glue that down again in a second. One ear there. One ear on the other side. How cute is that? Let's go ahead and really add more glue this time. Now for the eyes, on my motto one, I used just these 2 little beads. You could use googly eyes, you could just cut out something, and that's totally up to you. See how that looks. I think that's really cute. So just play around with what you have. That's the whole beauty of upcycling. And then just add your glue. Now, if you want to make everything a lot more solid, you can coat the entire thing with some Mod Podge, and then you could take some acrylic spray. This is just clear acrylic, and it's glossy, and then spray it with that. And that will really make this a lot sturdier. So there you have it.